sizzling. Hi everyone, again I'm gonna show you today another recipe, one of my favorite, and is the spicy cake made with chorizo, black olives, cheddar cheese, jalapeno, and the usual flour, yeast, and eggs. We start with eggs. We add 100 ml of milk, and about 100 ml of olive oil. Gently we start to mix everything. Now, slowly we add the flour. We add yeast. Now that the compost looks that is mixed up, we add the chorizo and we try to incorporate it slowly. I think at this stage we can proceed without the mixer. We add the olives. We mix everything. We add the cheddar cheese. Jalapeno. The good things about this cake, you can just chop everything in and mix it. With the salt. Then goes into the oven for 50 minutes at 180 degrees. And there you have it. This thing is very underrated, extremely underrated. Yeah, it looks like a little bit of a mess, but as usual, these type of things, messy they are, messy they look, tasty they are. Okay, I think I might swap this for something more appropriate. To scoop it out, yeah, this one is a bit soft. I put the paper clean underneath because it's a tight and clean job. Instead of putting flour and butter and all that stuff there, we have technology nowadays and we'll be missing opportunity if we not use it. Wet spoon, help yourself, spreading it across the tray. push it towards the corners so that is evenly distributed. And there we have it. So in the oven, 180 degrees for 50 minutes. Time has passed. Ooh. Yeah, this is just how I remember it. Nice and sizzling. I can't wait to try it. So I let it cool down a little bit and then another one done. Ooh. So this video is on the back of the olive bread that I made earlier. I'm just back from the gym. This was warm when I left, so what better occasion to test it out. So let's have a look. How is it? Ooh. I'm gonna take a slice. Oh, that crispiness. Yeah, that crispiness there. Oh, look like. That's what you want after a gym session. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.